Alex are going to Lime Rock today. We're gonna go help my buddy run one of his events. And so, yeah, we're gonna take a drive out there. I got the M3 with me. He's got his 36. So we're gonna go ahead and see just how the day goes. We're gonna get to do a little bit of driving too. So I'll get the M3 out on the track. And then I guess we're just gonna run some stuff and see how everything goes. I don't really know what the whole plan is. My buddy Alex, who runs modified machines, just kind of asked for some help. So we're going to help. He said, well, we can turn some laps and get some free food too. So I was like, you know what, yeah, let's go help. So we're gonna both go to a different Alex's event and have a good day. So we'll see you guys when we get to Lime Rock. All right, and we are here. Time to go find Alex and find out what our tasks are gonna be for today. In case you guys haven't seen, this is the proving grounds up here. This is kind of like their autocross track, also sponsored by SCP Euro, and the main course goes all the way on the outside. So this is the one we're gonna be on today, helping out. It's pretty cool stuff out here. This 36 is beautiful. Such a good color. There's a good amount of people out here too. It's 60 drivers total. So Alex has 60 drivers out here at his event. Me and Alex just kind of walking around, just making sure everybody follows the rules so he can keep having these events. The track marshal here at Lime Rock kind of wants everything being followed specifically. So you know what, whatever, we got to just kind of go around and make sure people are doing what they're supposed to, and whatever, then we'll get some drive time. So I think Alex is actually about to cut in and go drive now, and then we'll swap places. Then I'll get to go do some laps and so on, so on. Gaurav right here. So Gaurav has this beautiful E36 M3. So tell us a little bit about this car.
Sure. So I actually got this car when I was about 21 years old. It was a $5,000 barn find. It was silver, and actually it was used as a tow vehicle on a farm. So I stripped it down to basically the frame, did rust repair, painted it Porsche Gulf Blue. This is a shop, PSI, down in Florida. They put in an S54, did coilovers, Recaros, did a lot of reinforcement for the chassis, and now it's just like my street / track toy. So
that's so cool. Can you pop the hood for us? Actually, you mentioned that S54.
I can right now.
Can't?
My hood latch is just
oh really?
It's over there.
Ah, that's crazy. Even still, this interior is just.
Next time.
No, this thing had a full respray too. It's absolutely beautiful. I think this thing's probably one of the cleanest E36 M3s I've ever seen. And I didn't even know it had an S54 in it. So that's like super rad. So shout out to you for having a really cool car, dude.
Appreciate it, man.
And good for you on driving it. So this thing's sweet. Can't wait to see, keep seeing you rip it around. Yeah. Alex, you good, bro? You good, dog? All right, I just went out for a couple of laps. I didn't put the GoPro on for that one. It was actually because I worked, I was able to hop right in next, so I didn't even have time to set a GoPro up on a helmet, but I was actually hauling ass. Kind of impressive. I haven't actually done grip driving in like 2 years, so I need to lower the PSI. I'll go out later and then I'll get some GoPro footage for you guys. But successful first. Alright, I honestly forget where I last picked up the camera. Still just hanging around, talking to people. Met some really cool dudes. Alex is actually out on the track right now. Let's see, what's he gonna do here? Anything good? Yeah, he looks I'm slow as shit right now. Maybe a little sideways up this hill. Let's see. Come on. A little bit. All right, so us drift guys, we can't exactly, oops. Oh boy, we're zoomed in now. Us drift guys can't exactly go grip driving as well. That's okay. We just like to slide. But yeah, I'm gonna go back out soon. I'll throw a GoPro on this time, get some laps, and yeah, have some more fun. It's a beautiful day, so that's sick. I'm getting hungry. I want food. All right, gonna get some time out here in the M3. A little bit of grip driving.
I didn't like that one. Speedo stopped working. Oh, airbag light. Oh, we got all the lights. All right, let's get off. All right, so I just got off the track. The car didn't like those. Well, seatbelt is whatever. TPMS, now ABS, and the traction control lights are fully on. It's not off, and the brake light. So the car's not the happiest thing in the world, but that was fun. Let's shut it off. I was running some pretty decent laps out there, I think. Maybe-ish, kind of. I don't know. I ended up sliding the one corner. Oops. Yeah, that'll be it for driving for right now.
It's like having someone sit here to see if someone's goofing around on the bench.
Never eaten at concessions before. Some chicken nuggets are alright. Could have got a burger. Good? No good? Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, a little food vlog. Come on now. What do we give it out of 10?
Fucking 4.
4? Damn, that's ass. Walking the pits real quick, and it is a Porsche day out here at Lime Rock. They are just everywhere. There's been a few E92 M3s, but these things are just, everybody's got a damn Porsche. This thing right here caught my attention too. This thing. Woo! Oh, this thing's good. He's got the Renline floor plates in it too. Dude, this is a good car. I like this thing a lot. Dude's also got a gangster trailer set up. All right, so me and Alex just left Lime Rock now. Shout out to other Alex at Modified Machines for letting us come out, spend the day, help him out a little bit. He gave us some free track time, some free food. We love that. The M3 is currently not doing great. My dash, it looks like a Christmas tree. I'm in lit mode. So the car is not happy at all. So that's wonderful, because when this thing breaks, things get expensive fast. So we're gonna get it home. I only have another week I could actually drive it this year, because then I go back to school. So honestly, whatever's wrong with it ain't gonna get fixed right now. So it is what it is. But I had fun getting to drive it around. Maybe I'll pull the battery and it'll reset some. Just be happy. So either way, we're gonna get home now, and yeah, I'm gonna pull that code when I get home, or actually no, I'm just gonna clear the battery and pray from there. So hope you guys enjoyed. I think Alex got some out of car footage for me, a couple of little clips and videos and things. The GoPro also, memory card got full, of course, so I didn't get many clips there, but so be it. Yeah, it was good to turn some laps and get to drive this thing until it started to off itself. But either way, stay tuned, guys. Should have our Lebanon or staggered video coming up soon, so more drifting content, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.